Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone aiming for a healthier lifestyle: eating clean. In today's health-conscious world, eating clean has become a mantra for those seeking a healthier way of living. But what does eating clean really entail, and why is it recommended? This concept goes beyond mere dieting. It's about nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer, minimizing processed foods, and focusing on whole, unrefined options. Let's break it down. Why is eating clean recommended? Let's start with the nutritional value of whole foods. Eating clean emphasizes the consumption of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are minimally processed, retaining their natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. By incorporating grass-fed meat from sources like White Oak Pastures, Crowd Cow, and Heartstone Farm, or fish from Wild Alaskan Company and Fulton Fish Market, you're ensuring your body receives higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and fewer antibiotics or hormones often found in conventionally raised meat. Sustainability and environmental impact. Choosing companies like Force of Nature Meats and American Grazed Beef, which focus on grass-fed and regeneratively farmed meat, supports sustainable farming practices. These practices not only contribute to your health, but also to the health of our planet by reducing environmental impact and promoting biodiversity. What does eating clean mean? Let's dive deeper. At its core, eating clean means minimizing processed foods that often contain added sugars, artificial ingredients, and unhealthy fats. Instead, the focus is on foods in their most natural state. Plant-based options from Revive Superfoods, Mosaic Foods, Purple Carrot, and Daily Harvest offer convenient, nutritious choices that align with a clean eating philosophy. Reading labels. Understanding food labels is crucial. The fewer the ingredients and the more recognizable they are, the cleaner the food. Companies like Grassroots Farmers Co-op and ButcherBox make it easier by being transparent about their sourcing and practices, providing consumers with the confidence that they're eating clean and wholesome products. Incorporating a variety of foods. Eating clean isn't restrictive. It encourages a varied diet rich in nutrients. This includes a wide range of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and proteins. Diversifying your food sources ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients, essential for overall health and well-being. The benefits of eating clean. Eating clean comes with numerous benefits that enhance both your health and lifestyle. Improved health and well-being. Eating clean can lead to improved health outcomes, including weight loss, increased energy levels, and better chronic disease management. It supports all aspects of your health, from digestion to mental clarity. Enhanced flavor appreciation. By eating clean, you'll begin to appreciate the natural flavors of food. Grass-fed meats from ButcherBox or Crowd Cow, for instance, have a depth of flavor that conventionally raised meats lack. Similarly, fresh, sustainably sourced fish from Wild Alaskan Company offers a taste that's hard to match. Supporting ethical and sustainable practices. Choosing to eat clean also means supporting ethical farming and sustainable practices. Companies like White Oak Pastures and Force of Nature Meats are committed to regenerative agriculture, which not only produces healthier food, but also takes care of the earth. Conclusion. Eating clean is not just a dietary choice, it's a lifestyle commitment to better health, ethical consumption, and environmental sustainability. By choosing to incorporate products from companies committed to clean, sustainable, and ethical practices, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier life for yourself and the planet. Thanks for watching Timbo's Food Box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living a healthy and sustainable life. And remember, clean eating is a journey. Let's take it together.